as you join us in wearing your face mask over your nose and mouth for the duration of the flight. Nothing is more important to Delta and our partners than the safety of our customers and crew, which is why we have set up a new standard of cleanliness, including sanitizing our aircraft with high-grade disinfectant, wiping down all surfaces prior to boarding on each flight, and advanced air filtration systems. In addition, we're wearing our masks to ensure we're all protected, and we appreciate you wearing yours as well. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard. Here at Delta Connection Flight, we are headed to Key West. My name is Julie. I'm in the back. My friend Paula is up front, where your flight attendants take up to touchdowns approximately 1 hour and 25 minutes. Each time we do ask for 3 minutes of your attention while we demonstrate the safety features of this Embraer E175 jet. Also, as an additional safety reminder, in the unlikely event that the oxygen is needed on today's flight, please remove any personal face coverings prior to donning an oxygen mask to ensure mask is secured and sealed properly. We'll be demonstrating the supplemental oxygen mask during our safety demonstration.
Please remove the safety information card located in the seat back pocket and follow along. There are 4 emergency exits. Each door is equipped with an emergency evacuation slide. 2 exits are in the front of the aircraft, and 2 exits are in the back of the aircraft. All exits are clearly marked with red and white overhead signs when illuminated. Floor-level lighting will help guide you to the nearest exit. The safety information card details the location and operation of the exit nearest you. Remember, it may be behind you. Your seatbelt must be fastened for taxi, takeoff, landing, and anytime the seatbelt sign is on. To fasten your seatbelt, insert the flat metal fitting into the buckle until it clicks. To adjust, pull the strap. To release, lift up on the buckle. Your seatbelt should be worn low and tight across your lap. Should oxygen be needed, a mask will drop from the compartment located above your seat. Pull the mask out of the clip. Then pull the mask to your face, placing it over your nose and mouth, securing it with the elastic band. Even though oxygen is flowing, the plastic bag may not appear to inflate. If you are sitting with someone needing assistance, put your mask on first, and then offer assistance. In the unlikely event of a water landing, your seat cushion can be used for flotation. To remove it, simply pull up, place it to your chest, and put your arms through the straps as shown on the safety information card. For those with infants, life vests are provided on the aircraft. A description of the location, use, and operation can be found on the safety information card. Federal regulations require compliance with all lighted signs, posted placards, and crew member instructions. Smoking, including the use of electronic cigarettes, is prohibited on board the aircraft. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying the smoke detectors located in the lavatories. As a reminder, all tray tables and seat backs must be in the upright and locked position, and all carry-on items stowed. Once all safety checks are complete, the cabin lights will be turned off. For your convenience, a reading light is located above your seat. Thank you for your attention, and enjoy the flight.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to be turning off the main cabin lights. If you need additional lighting, please use your courtesy lights there located on your seat. remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened. You carry an item stowed. Till the aircraft is parked at the gate, the captain's turned off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please use caution when opening overhead compartments as items may have shifted during the flight. Smoking is prohibited until you've reached a designated smoking area. At this time, you can use your cellular service, however, larger electronic devices must remain stowed. Your safety is Delta's top priority. As we deplane today, we ask everyone to allow extra space between yourself and other customers. Please remain seated until the customers in front of you have retrieved their items and are 6 feet away. You may then gather your items and deplane. We appreciate your understanding and assistance. Please don't forget to take a look around your seating area and make sure you have everything you brought on board. On behalf of Delta and its Newark-based crew, we'd like to thank each and every one of you for wearing your mask or face covering over your nose and mouth throughout the flight, keeping us all safe. We've enjoyed having you on board, and we look forward to seeing you again soon. Have a wonderful evening. Welcome to Key West.